Hey guys, Jonathan here, Colorado Custom Covers and Decks. Just want to talk about what to look for if your deck is rotting. I know I got a couple of these videos, but it's very important because we'll show you a couple other spots in this deck of how dangerous and how bad this can get. But so if you look up here, you can see there's a bunch of that white mold, and from the outside here, it doesn't look bad, right? Like, it just looks like a little mold, no big deal, right? Nothing's rotten. But the problem is that the rot starts on top of the joist and then it eats through the middle, and the outside still look good. So even though your outside, like that joist, like, oh yeah, that joist doesn't look bad, but when you come here and actually look at it, I mean, look at that. Look at how rotten that is inside there. I mean, just falling apart. Shouldn't be doing that. Like, this one's not bad, so that's what should be happening, right? Look at this, just rotting out. And you can look at all these other joists here, just rotting out, rotting out. Once you see one joist with that white mold on there, it's a good chance the rest of your deck is already starting to rot out as well. And if you look, there's a beam over here. This is what happens. And you can see the outside is finally deteriorating from the outside, but you can see the inside, how it's just completely gone on the inside. So this has been rotting out from the inside out for a good while. So when you look at your deck and you see that white mold on there, you need to start thinking about replacing your deck and start saving and start getting bids and whatnot, because it's about ready to, it's getting ready to rot away. The last thing you want is this to happen. I mean, this is very dangerous. This post is holding up this beam, and you got a, I don't know, 10 foot, 12 foot span. I mean, this whole deck can come falling down. All right, so don't wait that long, because it's dangerous for us to demo this now to be able to get this all down. So don't put your contractor in that predicament, okay? Look for it, look under your deck, take a look, see if you see that white mold. Sometimes even that green algae is a good sign that that's moisture and there's mold going on. Guys, thanks for watching. Hope this video helps. Check us out on YouTube, The Deck Answers, Instagram, Colorado _covers_decks, and then Facebook @Covers and Decks. Thanks, guys.